Good morning everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. We wish all our viewers and readers a very happy new year on behalf of IT Voice team. In today's news, we will be covering news about WhatsApp's privacy feature in beta for Android users, rise of AI voice cloning scams, zero-day vulnerabilities found in iPhones, discounted Apple Watch Series 8 on Flipkart, pressure on Apple to allow side loading in Europe, AI-generated voice recreates late father's voice, Google settles privacy lawsuit over incognito more and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. WhatsApp is developing a privacy feature allowing users to share usernames instead of phone numbers. Beta version users on Android can create usernames through profile settings to connect on WhatsApp. This feature aims to enhance privacy by preventing the sharing of phone numbers with strangers. The option to use a username will be available in the WhatsApp web client as well. Users can create usernames with a @ prefix, improving privacy and security in user interactions. The beta version 2.23.11.15 including this feature is expected to roll out in the coming weeks. Next, we have AI voice cloning scams are increasing, exploiting fear to trick victims into providing money. Scammers use AI-driven deepfakes to impersonate family members, creating fake emergency situations. Recent incidents involved scammers playing cloned voice recordings to deceive victims into transferring money. Scams highlight the need to verify information, especially in emergencies, to avoid falling victim to fear-based tactics. Scammers manipulate emotions to create panic, emphasizing the importance of staying calm during such calls. Individuals are advised to listen for robotic undertones and scrutinize voice patterns to identify potential scam. Major zero-day vulnerabilities discovered in iPhones allowed attackers to gain high-level access. Security experts identify the vulnerabilities but are unable to determine the source, hinting at potential hardware involvement. The infections occur through iMessage text, enabling attackers to access and steal sensitive data. Apple has patched the vulnerabilities with multiple updates after being informed about the issue. The sophisticated exploit targeted various Apple devices including iPhones, Macs, iPads, and Apple Watches. Researchers consider it one of the most advanced exploits requiring significant expertise to deceive Apple. The Apple Watch Series 8 is available at an all-time low price of Rs 23,749 on Flipkart. This discounted price is for the 41mm midnight color variant, considered superior to the Apple Watch SE 2. Additional cashback of Rs 1,250 is offered for users using a Flipkart Axis Bank credit card. The Series 8, released in 2022, is seen as a top-of-the-line product, offering significant features. The discounted price makes it an attractive option for those seeking advanced Apple Watch features. The offer is for a limited time and is subject to the availability of stock. Apple faces pressure in Europe to allow side-loading of apps through third-party app stores on iPhones. European regulators push for laws similar to those in the European Union, aiming to open up Apple's platform. The proposed laws could force Apple to support third-party app stores and allow side-loading on iOS devices. Apple has already made changes such as adopting USB-C ports for charging in response to European regulations. Japan is also considering similar regulations that may impact tech companies and introduce side-loading on iOS. Antitrust pressures on Apple and Google highlight concern about their duopolistic dominance in the mobile industry. Next up, we have a man uses AI to recreate his late father's voice as a Christmas surprise for his mother. Philip Willett shares the process on TikTok using 11 Labs text-to-speech software for voice synthesis. The AI-generated voice successfully mimics the late father's tone, creating a touching video for Christmas. The story exemplifies the positive use of AI, demonstrating its potential in creating emotionally impactful experiences. AI's ability to automate tasks and replicate human-like speech opens new possibilities for personal and creative applications. The video showcases the potential benefits of AI in making tasks more efficient and emotionally resonant. At last, Google agrees to settle a privacy lawsuit alleging it secretly tracked the internet use of users in incognito mode. The proposed class action sought at least $5 billion in damages for tracking users' activity without consent. Lawyers for Google and consumers reached a preliminary settlement, putting the scheduled trial on hold. The lawsuit claimed Google's analytics, cookies, and apps tracked users even in private browsing modes. The settlement includes a binding term sheet through mediation with a formal approval process expected by 24 Feb 2024. The case highlights concerns about user privacy and data tracking practices, emphasizing the need for transparent online practices. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.